Today we're making these delicious pecan pie bars. To get started, you're going to grease and line a 9 by 7 inch pan and set that aside. Then to your flour, you're going to add in powdered sugar and softened butter, and you're going to mix this till you form a dough. Once that is done, transfer it into your pan and press it evenly. And then you're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then let it cool completely. While it is cooling, you're going to take some butter in a saucepan, add in brown sugar, honey, and some fresh cream. And you're going to turn on the flame on low and mix it together and let it slowly melt. It's going to start coming together slowly. And once it comes to a boil, let it boil for about 2 minutes. And you're going to keep stirring while it boils. And then switch off the flame. Now in a bowl, you're going to crack open 1 egg at room temperature. And then beat it lightly. And then you're going to slowly add in some of your caramel mixture in there and mix it in. This is just to temper the egg so that the egg does not scramble if you directly add it to the mixture. You're going to repeat it once more. And once your egg has tempered, you're going to pour it back into your mixture. And then mix it in. Also add in some vanilla extract for flavor and mix it in. Now you can add in your pecans, and you can definitely use walnuts, almonds, or any other nuts. Mix them in till they are coated with the caramel mixture. And pour it onto your crust. And spread it evenly as best as possible. Then you're going to bake it in a preheated oven for about 30 minutes. Once it's done baking, you're going to let it cool completely, and it's going to be difficult, but you have to be patient. And then run a knife at the sides and you can lift it out of your tray. And I like to fold the sides of the butter paper underneath, and then you can slice them into as big or as small slices as you like. I got 12 slices myself. And that pecan pie bar is so decadent. It's got a nutty caramelly flavor and the buttery crust just complements it so well. If you love nutty desserts, this one is going to be a favorite, and I urge you to please try it out. I hope you loved this simple recipe, and make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with new recipes, and I will see you soon.